I'm Joy Anderson with the DeSoto County Extension Office, and we have our grab and go bags that are ready for December, and I just wanted to give you a couple of tips. These are available here at our office, at the Walls Library, and at the Olive Branch Library. In this one, we have a swag activity so that you can make a swag, and I wanted to give you a little bit more information. We do have greenery in the bag, but it may not be enough. And you have other greenery in your yard or plants that you can use, and I wanted to give you some tips. One of the things is that this is a block of oasis. It does not come in the kit, but you can get this easily at any florist or in a craft section of most stores. And this requires, for this activity, half of one of these blocks. So this is how you're going to set it up. But when you go out to get your greenery, you can cut a longer stem. Don't cut all in one place on your ornamental plants, because then you might have a big hole. Take a branch from one side and walk around to the other and get another one. When you get it, if you have a limb that's too long and you start putting it in and it's too big, you can cut it in half or cut it down to the size that you want it, and then put it into the oasis. But that doesn't mean that you can't use this piece, because this piece still has a lot of greenery, but I would use it as a filler, not as the primary. So this is going to go underneath, and you're going to layer your arrangement. With the magnolia leaves, it may be that the stem is too long and you want to cut it off so that it's two size. But you can still, because these leaves are so big, you can actually put those into the oasis and work. If you have any questions, you can always give our office a call and we'd be happy. But the instructions are in your grab and go bag. And I hope that you will leave a picture in our chat so that we can see how you're progressing. Thanks.